Most riders think their bike is good enough the way it is. A helmet, some lights, maybe a lock, and then they see what's actually out there, and suddenly everything they thought was fine stops feeling fine. Today I've got 13 bike gadgets that are going to make you look at your current setup completely differently. Some of these are pure safety, some are pure fun, and a couple of them I genuinely wish I had known about sooner. Everything's linked in the description. Let's get into it. I always wanted an e-bike, but could never justify the price of buying a whole new one. This conversion kit completely changed that. Clip it onto your existing bike, 4 bolts, 2 zip ties, 10 minutes, and your regular bike becomes an electric one. Powerful motor spins the rear wheel, supports up to 3 batteries, covers up to 30 miles, and hits 20 miles per hour. Smart brake light built in. And when you're done, unclip the whole thing in seconds. Your bike just became a completely different machine. Quick heads up before we keep going. Amazon Prime Day is happening June 23rd through 26th, and if you're not a Prime member, you're going to miss every single deal before they sell out. Prime members get early access, exclusive discounts, and free fast shipping on everything. And here's the thing, if you're between 18 and 24, Amazon is giving you 6 months of Prime completely free right now. No cost up front, no commitment. If you have a kid or someone you know in that age range, this is worth telling them about. Try it free, and if it's not for you, cancel anytime. Link is in the description. Now back to the gadget. I parked my old bike outside a coffee shop for 20 minutes once. Came back and it was gone. Cheap lock, easy target, completely my fault. This Rock Bros heavy-duty U-lock is built from 22mm heat-treated steel with a 4-foot steel cable so you can secure your bike to literally anything. Unique key system stops picking cold. Silicone coating protects your frame. Walking away from your bike should never feel like a gamble. With this, it doesn't. I've gotten lost on rides more times than I want to admit. No navigation, no idea how much climb was left, just vibes and hope. This IGP Sport Bobby fixes all of that. Full touchscreen navigation, auto rerouting when you go off track, live climb tips so you don't blow your legs before the hardest part, syncs with Strava, controls your music, and shows your group's real-time location on the map. This isn't just a bike computer, it's a co-pilot that actually knows what it's doing. And stick around because number 6 is the kind of upgrade most riders overlook until something goes wrong. 6 miles from home, tire going flat, no pump. I've been there, and it is one of the worst feelings on a ride. This palm-sized pump inflates a tire back to full pressure in 32 seconds. 150 psi, built-in hose, gauge, Presta, and Schrader support. Everything in one clean unit. Set your PSI and it auto shuts off. 8 tires on a single charge. This is the kind of thing that sits in your bag and you forget about until the one moment it saves your entire ride. Most riders have no idea what's happening behind them until it's too late. This 4K action camera changes that completely. 6-axis stabilization keeps footage butter smooth even on rough trails. Tracks speed, distance, and GPS route in real time. Built-in headlight keeps you visible day and night. Wi-Fi transfer, night vision, long battery, and it mounts in seconds. Safety, footage, and navigation all in one tiny device that replaces 3 separate gadgets at once. I used to turn my head to check traffic and nearly swerved into a lane doing it. Dangerous habit that most riders don't even realize they have. These handlebar mirrors clip on in 10 seconds, rotate 360 degrees, lock solid, and give you a wide curved lens view of everything behind you without moving your head an inch. City riding, mountain trails, commuting. Real confidence on the road starts with actually knowing what's coming. And trust me, number 9 is one of those things that sounds too simple until you're actually using it every single day. A friend of mine got clipped by a car at dusk on a road he'd ridden 100 times. Driver said he never saw him. This light makes that excuse impossible. 200 lumens, 300-degree wide-angle beam, visible from almost a mile away even in daylight. Clips onto your bike, helmet, backpack, anywhere in seconds. USB-C rechargeable, waterproof, 16-hour battery. You ride at night or in low light even once. This is not optional anymore. Regular taillights blink red and call it a day. This one is something completely different. The Gotus Smart Taillight has 432 full-color programmable LEDs you control from your phone. Custom text, patterns, animations, your speed, whatever you want displayed behind you while you ride. Waterproof, 12-hour battery, and visible day or night. You go from just another bike on the road to the one everybody notices. Safe and unforgettable at the same time. I trusted a cheap phone mount on a gravel trail once. Watched my phone bounce off the handlebar and skid across the ground in slow motion. Never again. This mount has a steel-reinforced joint, shock-proof silicone padding, and a lock that grabs your phone so tight it genuinely does not move. Dirt trails, cobblestones, bumps, nothing shifts it. 1 second install, 360-degree rotation, fits any bike or smartphone. If your phone is on your bike, this is the only mount worth trusting. There's a specific sound a neglected chain makes. A grinding, gritty, mechanical complaint that tells you it's been ignored too long. I ignored mine for months once and ended up replacing the whole drivetrain. This grunge brush wraps around your chain and scrubs all 4 sides simultaneously. Flip it over and the long bristles dig into gears, derailleurs, and the crankset. Clean drivetrain, smoother ride, longer-lasting parts, less money spent. This little brush makes a job most people avoid actually take 5 minutes. I used to stuff a spare tube in my jersey pocket and hope my tools wouldn't jab me mid-climb. The Speed Sleeve Ranger 2.0 fixes that completely. Sits clean under your seat, holds your tube, CO2, tire levers, and multi-tool without rattling once. Waterproof, drop-proof, reflective logos for night rides. Everything flat, secure, and exactly where you need it when something goes wrong on a ride. Most riders genuinely believe they're visible at night until headlights hit and prove otherwise. I tested this once with a friend driving behind me. Couldn't see me at all until I stuck these on. 6 prismatic waterproof decals that stick to your helmet, frame, stroller, anything. And when headlights hit them, every beam bounces straight back. No batteries, no charging, no blinking. Just permanent visibility that works every single time without thinking about it. If the first conversion kit felt like too much work, this one removes every excuse. Replace your rear disc rotor with this unit and your bike becomes electric. That's the entire installation. Detaches in 1 click when you need it off. 3 different models depending on your riding style and power needs. Same electric assist, dramatically simpler setup. 2 options on this list means no matter what bike you're riding, going electric just became something you can actually do this weekend. Alright, 13 bike gadgets, every single one worth your attention. Whether you're upgrading for safety, performance, or just to make every ride more enjoyable, there's something on this list that belongs on your bike. Everything's linked in the description, so go check out whatever caught your eye. And honestly, if this kind of content is your thing, I just dropped a video on the coolest gadgets I've found recently, and a couple of them genuinely stopped me mid-scroll. That one's on screen right now. Subscribe to toolwiserz, and I'll catch you in the next one.